The vagina is a self-cleaning organ and do not need any additional products to make it stay healthy. It is worthy to note that it is acidic in nature and its value on the pH scale is 3.5 to 4.5, and this is due to the presence of a certain bacteria known as lactobacilli present in the vagina. So using intimate washes can disrupt the normal natural flora of the vagina and also change the pH of the vagina, making it susceptible to irritations, infections, and even bad odor. So in this video, I'll be going through 6 reasons you should never use feminine washes, and if you feel like this is something you'd be interested in, please watch this video till the end. Hey my loves, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Pep. I'm a registered nurse by NSC, and on this channel we'll talk about nursing, lifestyle vlogs, feminine health, and everything in between. And if you are just setting eyes on this beautiful face, please don't make the last by clicking on the subscribe button down below. Don't forget to turn on post notification just so each time I post a new video you'll be the first to know, and also like, comment, share, all that good stuff. And if you are a returning subscriber, my guy, alpha. And with that being said, let's get right into this video. As a registered nurse and also someone who is presently active on social media, I see a lot of women, especially the younger ones, who are under pressure from TV, magazines, blogs, social media, just name it, telling them they need to look, feel, smell a certain type of way, and also they need to use intimate washes in their feminine hygiene routine. So the first reason why you should never use, in fact, ditch that feminine wash you have, is 1. pH balance. Intimate washes often claim to maintain the pH balance of the vagina, but most times it is rather misleading because the vagina's pH is naturally acidic. So using products that claim to balance it, in quotes, can disrupt the pH balance of the vagina and also its natural environment, making it susceptible to infections, odor, and irritations. This brings me to my second reason, which is irritation and allergic reactions. Many intimate washes contain harsh chemicals, fragrances, and dyes, and this can cause itching, irritations, and even allergic reactions to an individual. Even when they claim to be all natural, you can still find a hint of these things inside the products. Number 3 is that it can disrupt the natural bacteria in the vagina. The vagina has a healthy balance of bacteria that keeps it healthy. So using intimate washes can disrupt the healthy balance of bacteria in the vagina, causing an overgrowth of harmful bacteria and a yeast infection. Number 4 is unnecessary use. Using intimate washes can create a false sense of hygiene, and this would lead to overcleaning and disruption of the natural self-cleaning process of the vagina. Number 5 reason is that most of these products lack regulation. The intimate wash industry is largely unregulated, meaning that these products can contain harmful ingredients, but then they make false claims. I've once seen an ad on Instagram of a particular vendor who produced our own feminine hygiene wash for sale, saying that our product is all natural and it contains tea tree, boric acid, and this and that. And I'm just wondering, like, with all these ingredients inside one product, and you say it will make the downstairs area clean, maintain the pH, how?
Make up my pants, make the pants anywhere they take sick person.
So instead of using intimate washes, you can go for other natural alternatives like water and probiotics to support vaginal health. In as much as you are not supposed to put these things inside the vagina, you're supposed to use them around the vulva. It is still a no-no because using it around the environment will still tamper with its pH, and if something is going to like spoil the pH of the vagina, there is no need introducing it inside your vagina inside your feminine health routine. The truth is that a lot of people who engage in the use of intimate hygiene washes do not tell you the truth. They do not tell you that at the end of the day, they still fall victim to having infections, bad odors, in as much as they use these products to make them clean or make them smell nice. And I have said this time and time again, the vagina is not supposed to smell like roses, flowers, petals, because I have seen some products that would make you smell like strawberry, vanilla in quotes, and all of that. And we know that that place is not supposed to smell sweet or smell like whatever you are used to. Even most gynecologists advise not to use feminine washes because they know these things are not healthy for you. They know it to disrupt your vaginal pH. So it is best to use natural alternatives to help that process, help the self-cleansing process. It is worthy to know that it is essential for you to consult a gynecologist when you have a certain issue with your downstairs area. Do not rely on internet information or self-medication because you might be doing more harm than good. So guys, this is the end of this video. If you have found this video interesting, please do not forget to give it a big like, drop a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts about this topic. Do you still use intimate wash? Even after watching this video, will you still use it? Let me know down in the comments below. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. And with that being said, I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.
I don't want pull no trigger. I just want me, cause I'm going place. I don't want no wahala, no wahala, no wahala, no wahala.